Hi everyone, Del here, welcome to the channel. So I was tagged by Joe, Prepper in the Woods. I'll put his link in the comment below on a one-handed ferro-rod fire. So basically what that is practicing your fire lighting techniques. So for talking sake, if you were out in the field and you had an injury and you can only light your fire by one hand, and you've got a ferro rod on you, yeah, we can all have matches and Bic lighters and things like that, but this is just for practice techniques. Okay, so we're going to try some one-handed fire lighting techniques and see how we get on. Now please, anyone else join in on the tags, feel free to join in and just put a mention to myself and Joe's channel, and just see how many people we can get interested in the community in doing this and just practicing. Yeah, I'm not out in the field, I'm in the backyard, again, backyard bushcrafting, but you know, the most important thing is to keep practicing. That's the most important thing. So let's try some backyard one-handed fire lighting techniques. Please subscribe and don't forget to like, and no skin off your nose if you don't. Okay, so let's take a look and see how we get on. So let's take a look at some techniques. I'll be honest with you, it's blowing a gale here, a storm, so it's maybe a good time to test it. Also, you'll notice I am doing it on my deck and stuff, so that's why the tree stumps sat in a metal container just to arrest any sparks and that. So let's crack on and try some one-handed techniques. So the first one we're going to try is just by, like, if we're out in the field and we come across a tree, the base of the tree, we don't always have stumps in the field, so we're going to put the knife into the stump, and then we'll see if we can get the sparks to fall where we want it to, into our dry tinder. Okay, so that's enough for that. Just a standard strike fire ferro rod, and we'll just use some flash tinder. So I'm going to try just the cotton Vaseline. So I always have a pack in the pouch with stuff in. So it's just got some flash tinder, it's got Kapok, Vaseline, cotton Vaseline balls, and some fire plugs. I love fire plugs, great bit of kit. So we'll just try, jeez, I don't know if you can hear that wind, it's mental. So we're just going to try some cotton Vaseline. Okay, we're just going to place that there. And then we're going to try and get the sparks to land in it as much as we can. Okay, well there you go, one strike and it's in. So that's how effective a good knife is. That's the SAPR4 and cotton Vaseline. You see how windy it is, you can hear it, and that's just one spark, and that took that one-handed. Okay, so that's the first technique, and then we'll try another just now. So another technique we're going to try is just with the ferro rod on its own striker. Okay, so we'll put your material against the surface. Just move that out of the way. So whether it be a rock or a tree stump, for this purposes we're just using a tree stump, but that can simulate a rock or another surface. Okay, and then we're going to get our fire steel and we're going to rest it against it. Okay, so with this we're just going to use the striker itself and try and gain as many sparks into that and get that going. Don't worry about burning your ferro rod in there, it takes a long time for it to burn a ferro rod down. So as you can see, simulating a surface against a hard surface such as a tree stump or a rock or something like that, we got that going. Just a few gentle strikes. I wasn't striking that hard, as you could see, and I was only using the one hand with the striker that comes with the rod, so we got that lit doing it like that too. Okay, so the last technique for now we're going to try is, we've come across a stump or a log on its side, and what we're going to do is, there's no depth in the side of the log for us to put the knife into the side of it, or the stump, so we've only got the top surface. So what we're going to do is we're going to just drive the blade into that. Okay, I love essays, by the way. And again, we're just going to try another bit of cotton Vaseline, because why not? It's what we've got, it's what we carry in our fire kit. That's the whole point in it being one-handed. And we're just going to put it to the side of it. So instead of trying to draw it against the stump, we're going to draw it across the top surface, and we'll see how well this can take a spark. Okay. There you have it. So that's on the top surface. Like I say, not a hard strike, but enough. It just went out with the wind there. Okay, so let's just get it going again, because we can. That's windy. So as you can see, it works. So that's a one-handed Ferro-Rod fire striking. There's a couple of different techniques there. There's loads of different techniques. Just get out there, just try it, guys. Like me, try it with a cup of coffee in the backyard. Keep practicing. You don't want to lose these skills, okay? It's really important to practice wherever you can, even just on your lunch break, coffee break, in the yard, wherever you are. You know, just try it, guys. So there you have it, guys. That was just a quick video on one-handed Ferro-Rod. That's just a strike fire, British made. I really like this. Good Ferro-Rod, and it comes with a good striker too. So that was just a quick demo. Obviously using a good knife for the sharpened spines, really good too. That's the SA PR4. I am a SA fanboy. PR4 is a brilliant knife. I'll maybe do a video on it. I don't think I've done a video on this one actually. I'll have to do one. I'll have to do some knife vids actually. I've got some new ones in. So anyways, thanks for watching. A couple of techniques. Yeah, you can point out flaws and things like that, but the Vaseline cotton got all that working. If you're in a pickle, you've got an injury, you want to light it. If you haven't got a lighter, that's just for practicing purposes. Okay, we all know we can carry big lighters and things like that, but I just want you to train your skills, guys. Don't lose these little primitive skills that we have. Keep practicing wherever you can. Thanks, Joe, for the tag, guys. Join in, tag along, tag whoever you want. Please join in. Please link us when you join in, so we can all see it. And stay safe out there. Please hit the subscribe if you want to. Please click the likes if you want to. Alright, so stay safe out there, everyone. And crazy world we all live in, eh? And just the past couple of times, we just got to keep it real and look after each other. Alright, there's nothing we can do about other things going on in the world. Focus on yourself and the people around you, and hopefully, you know, well, that's all you can do, isn't it, really? So don't worry about everything and become a victim yourself. Stay safe out there, guys. Thanks for watching. Del out.